Hey folks! If you're passionate about aerial photography, you know that choosing the right drone can make all the difference. Today I'm breaking down the best drones for photography and how you can get the most out of them. First up, let's talk DJI Mavic 3. This beast sports a Hasselblad camera with a 4/3 sensor allowing for incredible detail and vibrant colors. It's perfect for landscape shots and professional work. Another top contender is the Autel Evo Lite Plus. With its 50MP camera and ultra-smooth 6K video recording, you'll capture every nuance in your shots. Now what should you consider when picking a drone for photography? Camera resolution is key. Higher megapixels mean more detail. Sensor size matters too. Larger sensors perform better in low light. Don't forget about stabilization. Gimbals help keep your shots steady. Alright, on to control techniques. For smooth cinematic footage, practice gentle joystick movements. Sudden jerks can ruin your shots. Use the drone's follow mode to track subjects automatically, ensuring consistent framing. For still photos, take advantage of burst mode to capture multiple shots and choose the best one later. When flying, always scout your location first. Check for obstacles and plan your flight path. Use manual mode if you're experienced. It gives you more control over exposure settings. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you fly, the better your shots will get. So, whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, these tips will help you capture stunning aerial photos and videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone tips. Fly safe and happy shooting.